Good morning to all. My name is Sweet Kumar, a student of Government Polytechnic College, Care Branch Electrical, Session 2018 to 21 for 1115201033. Subject: Impact of Coronavirus on Indian economy. First of all, I want to state that some basic information about COVID-19 and coronaviruses. Coronavirus is a family virus which is appears in worldwide in different with different names such as SARS coronavirus in 2005 and MERS coronavirus in 2012, and this current time COVID-19 in 2019 from Wuhan town of China to worldwide. One question will arise in mind of all persons, that source of COVID-19, on which I say that coronavirus is spread in worldwide from China. One carefully find that one biological weapon lab before is available in Wuhan town of China, which is completely manufactured in 2018, and its lab is helped by America and WHO. Its lab continuously study and experiment on SARS and MERS coronaviruses to save human life in future time from coronaviruses and any other epidemic disease. But at this current time, negative effect of this lab in worldwide in India. When I study some data which is available on internet, then I maybe say that it is confirmed that relation between COVID-19 and Chinese lab biological weapon P4 lab which is available in Wuhan town of China. One Israeli biological weapon expert, Danny Sohan, said to be COVID-19 linked with P4 lab. Now I subject impact of coronaviruses on Indian economy. GDP of Indian economy is already tension level before COVID-19 in India at 4.9% across, but at this time due to Chinese coronaviruses COVID-19 bad effect on Indian economy. In these situations for coronaviruses outbreak from India, all India districts, state of India is fully locked down. In these situations, all traffics, air traffics, road traffics, and rail traffics is stopped, and Manrega all is not works on this time, and every factory, company does stop. Therefore, across 20 million Indians workers will be at this time unemployed. The Indian economy is expected to lose over 32,000 crore every day during first lockdown of 21 days. And if to complete lockdown does India first 21 day and second 19 day, then already across 52 lakh crore beeped up, and Sensex and Nifty of India share market will be 35% decreases from upper point of Sensex and Nifty in January month to lowest point of April month of 2020 years. IMF, International Monetary Fund, projections for India, for Indian economy, for Indian financial year 2021 to 22 is only 1.9% GDP. Therefore, a long time taken to recover Indian economy in previous stage after lockdown and breakout coronaviruses. With respect, I say that the dream and try of I and all Indians India and Indian PM Narendra Modi is 5 trillion economics for India, which dream is fallen and breakout due to Chinese coronaviruses. And coronaviruses as COVID-19 is a epidemic disease, but according to natural rule, no anything is purely ideal. Therefore, it is some advantage as positivity factor. That is, according to NASA picture, which is taken by satellite of NASA, this according aerosol level of North India is decreases at 20 years low, which is very positive for human health. As well as due to lockdown conditions in my atmosphere is clean as compared to non-lockdown condition. Due to in atmosphere is a to CO2 quantity is low because factory is stopped and automobiles is stopped, and the number of life saved from road accident and any other disease such as heart attack and any hospital in India, any other disease patient is very low at this time due to lockdown conditions. And in last, all request to all persons that follow all rule and advisory which is provided by state government and central government to outbreak of coronaviruses from India. आई फ्रॉड कोरोना को भगाएंगे, इंडिया को बचाएंगे। जय भारत।